Hello, my dear students. CMA exam admit card is out, and in this video, we will be seeing how to download the admit card. So, in the CMA website, under Students tab, there is an examination drop down, and under examination drop down, you can see a tab named pre-exam. So, click on pre-exam, and there you will find the admit card link. Click on the admit card link, which takes you to another tab where you can download the admit card for foundation, inter and final exam of June 2026 term. Give your current registration number and you will be able to download the admit card. We will also see what are the instructions which has been given along with the admit card. So there is a link which you can click to download the instructions. Don't just download the admit card. It is very important that you read through the instructions also. So in this video, we will be covering the instruction manual as well. Instruction to the examinees. So the cover page of answer script is going to have two sections, part A and part B. Part A is where you give the details, your details, that is the roll number, subject code, medium, date of examination, roll number sticker. So all this are covered in your part A. Part B of the cover page is the MCQ section where you will have to use blue or black ball pen in order to darken the bubble which gives the correct answer. Do not darken more than one bubble because that leads to disqualification. So before you color the option, be sure of that option, that you are not going to change this option. This is my final answer, and then color that bubble. Then the second part, the admit card needs to be handed over to the invigilator at the time for signature in the attendance sheet. Then we have examination rules and instructions to the candidates. Before that, a specimen of part A is also given for those who are writing the exam for the first time. You can just refer to this part A where you need to mention the details, your roll number and the sticker and the date of the examination. All these details need to be given. And then on the part B, which is the same page, the down section, you will have MCQs. 15 options are given where you need to color the bubble. So you have to be careful to color the bubble. Don't color outside the bubble because your answer will not be read properly. The wrong methods and the right method is also mentioned. Color the bubble completely. Don't just scribble, don't put a cross mark, tick mark. You need to darken or color the bubble. So candidates should carry with them admit card, student ID card, and or voter ID, driving license, passport, Aadhaar card to the examination center every day for establishing their identity. So it is not that only the admit card is sufficient for you to go and appear for the exam. You need to carry an ID proof along with you every day for the exam. Then no candidate shall be allowed to enter the examination hall after the expiry of half an hour from the commencement of the exam, and they will not be allowed to leave the examination hall before the expiry of 2 hours. And you also should reach the examination center at least half an hour before, and you should need to reach the door of the examination hall at least 15 minutes before the time fixed. You can carry basic stationery like pen, pencil, eraser, an ordinary calculator, an examination board, a basic wristwatch displaying just the time and day, and a transparent water bottle. So, only basic things required for writing the exam is allowed to be carried to the examination hall. Very important part again, last time also it was mentioned, this time also in the instructions it is highlighted relating to the MCQ section. MCQ questions, you need to color the bubble. You should not write the answers in your answer sheet. That is not required. If you don't color the bubble, if you don't attempt the answers in the part B of the cover page and you give all the correct answers in your answer sheet inside the answer book, you write A, B, C for each of the question, it is not going to fetch you marks. So the answer books from page number 3 should only be used for the long type answers. These are the most important instructions that I have picked it up from the instruction manual, but you must read the instruction manual completely. You must read all the points in the instruction manual and ensure that you are well prepared for the exam, and it does not create a tension for you, it does not create anxiety for you at the examination hall, that you reach the examination hall, you haven't brought the admit card or you didn't bring the ID card along with you. These kind of issues should not come. It should not be that you are reaching the examination center 5 minutes before the exam, because there is going to be a process of verification, a process of checking your IDs before they let you into the examination hall. So reach well before the examination timing, at least half an hour before, and ensure that you bring your ID proofs, you bring the admit cards with you every day to the examination hall, so that this will reduce your anxiety and you will have enough time to calm yourself down and then enter the examination hall with a calm mind. And that's very important for you to write the exam well. So we have discussed the most important points with respect to instructions to examinees. That's all in this video. Do subscribe to our channel and we will meet you soon with more insightful contents and with more tips that would be helpful for you in your upcoming exam in June 2026. So happy studies and all the best.